How to 10 times your revenue in 1 year with automation. Scaling fast isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter with automation. 10-time revenue in a year? It's not as crazy as it sounds. Most people are stuck in slow growth mode because they don't use automation. That needs to be changed. If you want massive growth without burnout, this is for you. Shift from hustle mode to automation mode. 10-time growth doesn't come from working more. It comes from working smarter, as I said. Stop doing everything manually, answering every DM, automate it. Manually sending follow-ups, set up email sequences. If it's repetitive, it should be automated. Use AI and tools to scale faster. Chatbots handle common customer questions. Automated funnels convert leads while you sleep. Leverage technology instead of wasting time. Leverage recurring revenue streams. Subscriptions equal money that comes in every month. Passive income equals sell once, earn forever. The fastest way to scale is to stop trading time for money and memories. What's the number one task you'd love to automate? Drop it in the comments. Let's share ideas. Build a system that scales itself. If your business depends on you daily, it's not scalable. Set up evergreen funnels. A funnel brings in leads and sales without you having to do everything. One good funnel can 10 times your income alone. Your business should work for you, not the other way around. Automate your marketing. Paid ads create traffic on autopilot. Pre-scheduled content is constant engagement. The less manual effort, the faster you will grow. Systemize sales and customer support. Sales calls. Let a video or webinar do the work for you. Frequently asked questions, set up written responses. Your goal is to remove yourself from daily operations. Ready to scale 10 times faster? Click the link in my bio below now to learn more. Reinvest and scale strategically. Don't just make more, make sure you grow more. Reinvest what's already working. Instead of starting new things, scale what's making money. Paid ads plus automation equal explosion. Don't start from scratch. Multiply what's already working. Eliminate what slows you down. Cut offers that take too much effort and little return. Stop spending time on low revenue activities. Not all tasks deserve your attention. Focus on your growth. Stay consistent and track your data. Make data-driven decisions, not guesses. Double down on what's converting. Ditch what's not. Scaling is science, not luck. If you want to 10 times your business in a year, click the link in my bio and check it out for yourself. It's free to look into. The fastest way to grow, stop working harder and start really working smarter. Comment ready to get a free guide. Next up, how to make passive income without chasing customers. Any questions? Send me an email.